In a message from the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization, its president Donboklang Dkhar reacted by saying that the announcement of Taxation Minister James P K Sangma to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021 is not a confirmation yet to the scrapping of the act, which has been opposed by the general public. Offering his views on the same, Donboklang Dkhar said that the organization does not have faith in the MDA government because of the fact that the statement made by James P K Sangma today has not been notified. If this is delayed, Hito will have no other way but to attend rallies organized in various constituencies of the state by the NPP and its coalition partners that include the UDP, the BJP, the PDF, the HSPDP and others to find out as to why the repealed act has not been included in the Meghalaya Gazette, added the president of Hito.
Nangkong hinga ay kublay siya ki yapsia ki lat patay kubor pisia rupila don benta ban yasim kya ban penduk pendam ya kan ka lane ban repeal lane revoke ya kata ka gambling act but kabar ka ya ki seng reunion sekti ki charge from but kabalai ru siki kato kan ni sing balang ki balai ya don benta ban yo voice ban ki long ki concern citizen jongka muri Hynniewtrep tengi na kalian ko jongi kat kum pangape je katuka statement jong James uong ba unsa kaba mo te tinong we kong will be repeal hangta nga kende threat ngong will be repeal sim la ong ba ngin pendam no tela da ki don jing thumu sha ban repeal tiki kumbangi yai ban na ko por ki de ban ai da ka kenjan notification lan ne ban amen no ye ka to ka o ban repeal no itu ka act ban peni pek ba no balada la de repeal ban election no mohor asuka ban kala de ru ke gazette kan te min jai apswa dia kata ka notification dan ne kata ka gazette na kalyang ka sarkar te la da kam le ai pan la da kam repeal te kumbangi la de pembana pek ba men kan ni rang shen bangin lek himangi syaki konsumsi beper lani hang ni hapo Shillong la dakat don kano karali jong kita ki NPP UDP PDF HSPDP ki pokon thop hapo ke MDA min kali ya ki ken halor kane lada kim penmi ya kane ka notification te lada ki penmi to komon minum dan bentai era tengen sus pensai pek ba kumno penyai pet tak lenti